Welcome to SunnySpark Park, where every day is full of fun, friends, and good choices.
Let's learn how to play smart and kind.
I want to go first.
Let's take turns. You can go after me.
Taking turns makes the fun go round.
When we share, everyone gets a chance to smile.
Trash alert. Trash alert.
Let's keep our park clean. The bin is right there.
Oops. Thanks, Lila.
A clean park is a happy park.
Whoa. Slow down, feather friends need space too.
Let's watch them quietly instead.
Nature is our friend. When we're gentle, animals feel safe.
Need a hand.
Teamwork makes the climb work.
Helping others makes the park a kinder place.
Let's make the park playtime promise.
We share. We care. We keep it clean everywhere.
When we play with kindness, every day becomes a sunny day.
See you next time, Playtime Pals.